Hello there, I am Chris Turner, and the lovely folks at Boostly have asked me to do a freestyle rap about boostlycontentcreator.com. What is that? Well, you're going to find out over this beat in a completely improvised freestyle rap. All made up, not scripted, not prepared. Let's do this. Turn up the heat like making toast. I'll be coming out, yeah, you're an Airbnb host, and you never know what to do. You're like short-term rental, fact, that's true. What you gonna do? Who knows most? People always on social media posting, they're boasting that they be getting the results. But you're too busy, not your fault, I understand. You be juggling so many things when it comes to email sending. You be struggling like, oh no, emails, I don't know. Don't worry, you'll thank me later. You can get content on the Boostly Creator. BCC like a blank email. Let me talk about this with the templates and they won't fail. You can drag and drop. You can put those posts and you'll never stop. It's like, ooh, much speedier. We create those posts for the media. They're so social and it's vital. You can copy paste and I like your because you can personalize each time when you put that getting visible online. Opposite of the invisible man. Getting the virality, that's the plan. Getting those eyes on the posts, getting more direct bookings and increasing the cost, increasing the cost of the money you earn, but low monthly cost for your pocket in turn. Running out of breath right there with the freestyle rap, but I'm gasping for air like what? That's the end of the rap. Only thing to say is there's no contract, so do it. Get real greater on boostlycontentcreator.com. Look, the .com didn't rhyme, but that is the web address, so you gotta use that. Yeah.